Okay. This is us doing. Okay, so well, I am Maxi Forever 98, and this is my friend Maggie.
So you can call me Magzor. Okay.
Okay, so we're
Cinnamon.
gonna be doing the cinnamon challenge.
We have
cinnamon.
water at the ready in case we typically fail.
And
We've got ramen. We have the emergency ramen.
Ramen.
Alright, let's do
Best
this.
ramen in the world. Alright. Okay.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
I'm gonna laugh. Hold on.
Mm-hmm.
If you spit it out. Okay.
Oh my god. Ow.
Ew.
Oh god.
It's all behind my teeth. It's stuck in my braces.
Ah! You spit on me! Oh my god. Ugh. Ew. Your mom's sitting there like laughing at us. Oh. Oh god. That was a bad idea. Oh my god. My tongue's all numb. Oh. Quickly. The ramen, bring it to me. Oh god, the ramen, give me the ramen. Oh god.
How did it stuck in behind my tongue?
Oh. You. Emergency ramen time. Don't spit on me. Thank you.
Ugh, that's nasty.
Where's my fork? Oh, there it is.
Yeah, you should.
Ramen
Do
cures everything.
It does.
The chickeny flavor, it burns away the burning. Hey, give me some.
I fell on the floor.
Two girls, one ramen cup.
Well, that's nasty. This stuff's pretty good.
This stuff's good.
It makes
Yeah, you can't see our faces. So that's okay. Oh, Martha! She has disgraced the ramen cup.
I am sorry, Asians.
But I have disgraced you.
What's your catchphrase?
Nande.
Nande bayo.
Oh, nande bayo.
I learned a lot of Japanese from that show.
So pick that off. I want to drink too. You drink something, I'll drink some.
Oh god.
This is the official like broth of the sun god. It's the best.
Yeah. All right. Bye.
Yeah, I think we're done now.